All right, I just want to go in here and make a quick video regarding my experience with this toy here. So we bought this a couple years ago for our kids, and we bought it from this Big Toys Green Country. We got decent reviews on the website, and about 4 months in, we had to replace one of the motors because the plastic gears inside it stripped out. They sell this with a 6-month warranty, and they honored that. They replaced the one motor, and since then it's been about a year, a little over a year, and we've now, all 4 motors on this buggy are completely ruined. The plastic gears have stripped out, and when you go through their website and end up, getting to the parts page, which is through their, I guess, who makes these buggies for them, the motors are about $40 a piece. So sitting at about $180 to get our buggy back going again. Really just a PSA, if you want to get one of these, just understand that, the motors do have plastic gears, and they will eventually start having some problems. I think, we expected this thing to last 4 or 5 years at least. Our kids are 3 or 4 years old, so, we'd like them to be able to, use this for a few years at least. We did have to replace the batteries already once as well. So, just understand, if you're buying this thing, that there is some maintenance and some cost that's going to be incurred in the future once the warranty runs out. So thanks, have a good day.